Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about how we can activate our free Azure trial. Okay. So basically you are going to get a $200 credit and plus 12 months of free services that Azure provides. So how we can do that? All you have to do, just open up your favorite browser. I'll always open Chrome, and then you can, just go to this website called portal.azure.com. So basically this is the website like to manage all of your resources that you have created on Azure. Okay, so here they will ask you for an account. Basically, you needed an account to continue with the Azure portal. So you can always use your Gmail account as well. That will be linked to Microsoft, or you can just use your Outlook account. Even the Skype or phone number doesn't matter. Whatever you wanted to use, or you can create a new one from here. And you can also sign in with GitHub. So I'm just going to use an existing account where I haven't activated the free trial yet. Sorry, it's not Gmail, it was Outlook. Yep, let me put up the password there. Okay, so once you log in, the first time, this is what you will get on Azure portal. And on the very first tab here, you can see you have get 200 free credit towards Azure products and services, plus 12 months of popular free services. And you can always like learn more about this plan. So let's open into the new one. Okay, so this 200 USD, you have to utilize it within 30 days. Okay, plus the free services you can utilize for 12 months, so it doesn't matter at all. Let's get back here. Okay, click on start. Yep. So all you need to activate this account is a credit card. Okay. So once you click on this agreement and click on next, maybe they can also ask you about the phone number and the other address details if you haven't filled up with the account earlier. But next, they are going to ask you about the credit card that you wanted to use. As soon as I'll click on next. So once you select your credit card and do a 2 rupees payment, okay, they will deduct 2 rupees from your credit card. You will be good to go with Azure portal. As soon as you click on sign up, okay, you will be navigated to Azure portal. So I have already activated Azure account on one of my other email IDs. So just let me open that. So once you sign up using your credit card details, so this is the page that you're going to see. Of course, this recent resource will not be here, but everything else will be the same. Okay, and you're going to get a notification as well, like how much credits left or how much credit has been created on your account. For example, see here, I have right now 14,091 sorry, 14,091 rupees. Okay, so that's a conversion of $200 into Indian rupees. So I think it was 14,600 or 14,300 approximately. I don't exactly remember, but yeah, this is what you get. So yeah, this is all for this video. In the next video, we are going to play with one of the resources. Yep. See you in the next. Bye bye.